I'm Dave. I'm the producer with INFINITY27. We're an open game studio based in Gateshead, Northeast, and we help people get into the gaming industry and immersive technology industry through our different training methods or internships. We're a game studio, first and foremost, so virtual production is quite new to us. So bringing our game project into a video-based environment has had a few interesting challenges to figure out. But thanks to the help from everyone at Target3D, we've been able to kind of get our project up and running in a way that was suitable for our purposes. And we've learned a lot, way more than we could have done on our own. We are doing a few different training schemes and boot camps, and because we have experience as an Unreal Authorized training center, we have a wealth of material that we can share from Unreal. Specifically, we have some about virtual production that we'd love to explore. We're hoping to basically skill up the region. We want to get those talented individuals that just don't have that first-hand experience on an environment like this to come with us, learn the ropes, and show to other employers either here or further afield that they're more than capable and able and willing to do it. A team of experts from likes of Target and AMP means that we're able to fill the gaps in our knowledge with real expertise of industry people that know what they're talking about. Thanks to Innovate UK's funding, we've been able to partner up with AMP and Target3D to really enhance the offering that we're looking to produce, so that everybody is getting information from as wide a network as possible to really hone down the skills that they need to do what they want to do. Everyone's been beyond helpful, and we've learned a lot, and I hope you guys have learned a lot from us as well, bringing games and video production together. So yeah, I hope we get to continue.